Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Plantme, Plant Identifier app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Plantme is an AI-powered plant identification app designed to help users quickly recognize various plant species by simply uploading photos. The app provides detailed information about plants, including care tips and botanical details, making it ideal for gardeners, plant enthusiasts, and nature lovers. It features an intuitive interface with fast identification capabilities and helpful educational content. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users find Plantme's AI recognition accurate and appreciate the extensive database that supports identification of a wide variety of plants. The app's care guides and tips add real value for those looking to maintain healthy plants. The interface is user-friendly, making it accessible even for beginners. However, the app does have some limitations. Occasionally, identification results can be inaccurate or vague, especially with less common plants. Some users note that the free version restricts access to certain features and detailed plant information. Offline functionality is limited, which may affect usability in areas with poor internet access. In summary, the Plantme app may be worth using if you want an easy and fast way to identify plants and gain useful care advice without needing expert knowledge. But if you require highly detailed plant data, advanced gardening tools, or full offline access, you might find it somewhat limited. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.